Yo, what's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be using the Neo Tritone fuse. So this fuse basically allows you to change any color of anything inside of the Fusion page. So as you can see, if we jump into this one right here, normally it was a blue kind of animation, but with the Tritone, we can easily change the color of it. You can do this on animation like I've done to all of these here, but you can also do it to if you have any images or something you want to turn into free colors. The reason why it's called Tritone is because we have free parameters. We can change our free colors, you can say. So firstly, we can change the shadow color. So if we want that to make that white or whatever color we want, we can do that. Right now you can see it isn't completely white, but that's because we use preserve luminance. So yeah, I like to use that because it just leaves the luminance or how bright the colors is by default, and I think that looks best in my opinion, at least. Or you can of course change that as well. So also in the top here we got a bunch of presets. You can do cyan, you can do this sepia, you can do teal and orange. So you can see the shadows is a dark blue kind of color, and this one is also, the midtone is like a medium teal kind of color, and the highlights will be an orange kind of color. So we also got the blueprint, basically just makes anything blue, and then we have sunset, turns the shadows into a purple color, the midtones will be orange, and the highlights will be a yellow orange kind of color. So with the midpoint here, I'll just use sepia. The midpoint, we can just basically choose what gets affected. So if we drag it up, you can see the highlights start turning more into the midtone color here. If we drag it down, the midtone colors will start to turn into the highlight color instead. So if we make this blue, we can see it a little bit easier. So you can see it like that. You can see how it changes. Saturation is just how saturated the colors is. So more saturation. So this is just a normal saturation slider. And the contrast is also just separating the colors a lot more, adding a lot more contrast into it. And the preserve luminance just preserves the highlights or luminosity of the whole image. So for example, when we don't have preserve luminance, we can make the highlights a complete black, for example. If we have preserve luminance, it isn't possible to make complete black. So yeah, this is pretty much how the Neo Tritone works. And also we can change the blend of it if we want to. So honestly, we can also make some pretty cool effects with that. I actually like this colors quite a lot. I think it looks pretty cool. So yeah, this is pretty much how the Neo Tritone works. And if you have any questions regarding it, you can just drop them down below. And if you haven't already got the pack, there's a link down below as well, so you can check out the whole core effects pack with a bunch of cool effects. So thanks for watching this video and have a great day out there.